Hey you all, so today I'm going to show you all how I created this makeup look. It is very easy to create and it will look good on almost any function that you go to. So keep on watching. First, I'm going to apply this foundation onto my face. It is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and it is in the shade Pure Beige. So then I'm using this Maybelline concealer which is in the Age Rewind range and it is in the shade Honey. And then I will use this Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder which is in the shade Light Beige to set my face. And then I will fill in my brows using this Maybelline eyebrow pencil. And then I'm using the same concealer to carve my eyebrows and also as an eyeshadow base. First, I'm going to set my eye base with this nude eyeshadow. And then I'm taking this bright pink color and I will put it onto the corner of my eye and also onto the crease. And then taking this very light pink color, I will blend the bright pink into the skin. And then I will brighten my eyelid up using this beautiful golden eyeshadow. And then following all the same steps onto my lower lash line. And then I'm using this wet brown eyeshadow as my eyeliner. And then I'm curling my eyelashes. And then applying 5000 coats of mascara. And some fake eyelashes. And then I'm going to use these two shades from my eyeshadow palette as a bronzer. Adding on some blush, some nose contour, highlighter, I'm using this highlighting stick from Wet n Wild. Adding some more highlight using this pinkish highlighter shade from the Swiss Beauty palette. And then for this look, I'm using two different lipsticks. One is from Faces Canada, it is the bright pink shade, and one is from Nykaa's mini matte lipstick in the shade Madras Kaapi.